them strange sounds again?
We heard them too. Scared the shrock out of the slaves.
Didn't now. Strange sounds, you say? Were they like this? Or perhaps like this?
Thank you.
Nope, 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 nope. You ain't going anywhere. You're welcome. So I'm like a medieval Dark Knight.
You see him, I'll be standing over his corpse.
I mean, hell, I even have the ghost of a dead guy following me. For those of you who have played Arkham Knight. Spoiler, sorry. Anyways. Damn it. Give me some intel. Macra the rat. Oh my god, he does look like a rat. Hoping no one knows his weakness. Oh, now I'm curious. Sup, buddy? How you doing? I'm just gonna let you be over there. Actually, I have an idea. And I'm just gonna watch this take place. Oh my god. And I'll take down whoever wins. My money's on the Caragor. Oh, dear God, I'm right. Okay.
Don't like them ruins. They're creepy. You can just feel someone's eyes watching you whenever you go past them.
Ow. Ow. So I vote not fighting this thing. Don't jump. Don't do that thing in Star Wars. Curious? Can I? I cannot. Fuck my life. Oh. Oh, right, because he already fought the orcs. That makes sense. Ugh. That guy literally burnt to death. Yeah, how's that gonna help you? Stay down and have a nice night. Oh, hey, how you doing? One on one. Yeah, I don't think you want that. You ain't having nothing. But a nice taste of the ground won't hurt you. I'm still going the wrong way. Okay, he's up there. Let's go that way.
You all worry about that damn little creature too much. You ought to be more worried about me.
Ah.
Now's our
Yeah.
best chance.
No shit, now's your best chance. I just killed your slaver. Alright. Move on. To Blorg Frogblood. Why he has that name, I really don't want to know. I'm assuming it has something to do with him drinking it. I'm just saying, I wouldn't put it past them.
It's not like this work is hard. They should be happy they have a chance to do something useful.
Oh my god. Oh, damn. Oh, that never gets old.
Blorg.
Let's see. You know what? I fought if... Wait, he's an archer. Alright, let's see if I can actually get up close to him. Because I have stealth killed every one of my captains. So, let's see if I can actually fight this one.
When the Dark Lord arrives, I'm gonna kill 100 slaves in his honor.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
A group of us will rip you apart. You maggot! Like sneaking around quiet, don't you? I'll make you quiet forever. I'll cut your tongue out.
Wouldn't really do you much good.
Fight him! Tear his flesh!
And he's out. Wasn't a very good captain. Gotta say. Okay. Okay, so this is clearly the better one. Do I get rid of these, or... Oh, so I can convert these. So yeah, let's convert this one. What? Yeah, because it's a weaker one, so why would I want, you know, the second one? Pretty sure I don't know if I stack them or anything, but it's not like I'm using it. Yay! Yeah, let's do that. Strike true, yonder blue. I don't remember the phrase. Okay, there we go. Reduces focus depletion rate by that is awesome. Sure. Why not?